On an ordinary trail walk, something extraordinary quietly appeared. A mother mallard moving with gentle purpose, leading 4 tiny ducklings through the world she trusts. Step by step, they follow her rhythm. No rush, no fear, just instinct and care. The world around them is vast, but to these little ones, everything they need is right in front of them, their mother's path. As we walk by with our dogs, we become part of their moment, not interrupting, just quietly and mesmerizingly awed, just witnessing. A small reminder from nature that protection does not always roar. Sometimes it simply, quietly walks ahead, softly, steadily leading the way. We are fortunate. Travel the world one step at a time.